evening, ma'am. Good evening, everybody. Now I'm Vishal, so I'm gonna explain how you can basically hack into a vulnerable virtual machine or any machine use called Hackme. So we'll start by first finding out its IP address using this command. This command basically uses nmap and searches for all IPs connected to the network. We have three now. So I'll choose this, and using this we can find out which port is open and which port is closed. That's step 2. Yep. So we use this command to do that. Nmap. Okay, sorry. And now it's gonna be testing or finding out all the ports which are open. Now it says that port 22 and 88, I mean 80 are open. So now can move on to step 3, that is visiting the site. Now we can 198. Yeah. Now this is the site. The, hmm, Directly goes into here, huh? Okay. Over here we can do one thing, that is go to the developer options. We can note down the cookie values because it's accepting an input. So for that we can just note it down, and the value of the cookie is noted down. Now with this noted down information, we're going to try to do an SQL map attack. One minute. Now we can use this script, this command, to do an SQL map attack. Now trying, it's doing the attack and it's finding out all the values present in it. So now we have a list of things from the database, and we have actually have the passwords and the users present. Super user, and I guess this is the password. So we can copy that and move on to step 5, which is go to crack station. This basically takes in an encrypted password and will give out the normal password. Check the hash. So it says that it's uncrackable. So now we have to do a doorbuster attack. A doorbuster attack is a brute force method to find out all the domains in a website, hidden domains but common domains, by using a word list. So for that we use doorbuster. Now in doorbuster we use the URL basically, and we input it. Now we need to input the word list. So for the word list, it's basically in user share doorbuster followed by word list, and we can choose any word list we want. So I'll go with medium and we'll start it. Now it's going to take some time to complete this. As we can see, it takes around 1 hour, but I have noted down the most useful part, which is welcome.php, welcomeadmin.php. So now we'll go there and we'll check out what happens. So we are directly inside the admin page. Welcome to, and here we can upload a file, which is really important. So over here, now we can do an attack called MSF Venom, where we input a file into the server, and we can run the PHP file, and that PHP file can start a shell giving us root access. Now for that we need to use a script. For the script we can go to user share web shells PHP and PHP reverse shell. Over here we can edit this part called IP. I guess yeah, that's the next step for Venom attack. So we'll go there and we will edit this out to our IP, basically our IP address, which is 192.168.30.129, and we can have 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1. We can have that as the port through which it's gonna connect, and now we can save this in the desktop with the same file as the port. We can basically use any name if you want to 2 4 5. Now we can save this as a PHP, and now what we do is go here, browse, and we push the file into the server. Now we can see that it's successfully uploaded. So now comes the interesting part of activating that. For that we use Metasploit. So for running Metasploit we use msf console. It does take some time. So in Metasploit there's a lot of exploits available, but we need only an exploit, only the reverse TCP exploit. So we use this command, oh sorry, use. Now we use the payload for reverse TCP, PHP reverse TCP, set payload, sorry, set payload. Now it's set. Now we can clear the screen, show options. Now as we can see, we need to set the L host. Yeah, we need to set the L host and L port. So for that we use L host, that is our IP 168.31.129, which is set, and set L port. Okay. Yep, and set L port as the thing which we use, the port in the program. That's 1245, and we run exploit. Now it's running. So over here we had to go to a website called uploads because it's in that area. Over here we need to find a file which is 1245. Over here, yeah, now it should be running the script. Yeah, now it's currently running the script. It does take some time. I'm not sure whether it's because of the VM or it maybe the script is big, but it does take some time. But after it ends we should be inside the machine. Yep, that's it. Thank you.